Today's exams are, you know, physics and C programming. Both exams are totally difficult for me. Not too easy to score, tech and maths. It is little bit confusing how I will score in this exam, but still trying to study. What you wanna watch that? What I wanna study, right? Going to exam with empty paper. Actually, C program is good, but that physics is a bad one. Just completed exam and going back to class. Just seen a cute monkey with lot of hairy. Just going to library. On the way to library. Exam completed, 2 periods library, next is sports. Done with studying actually. Since I have half an hour more left. But I think I should leave or not, I don't know. Still waiting to take decision, like I have to go to class or go to MHP for lunch, because next is sports, right? That's why. Actually, I had decided not to go to class because I got this wonderful book again, Smartphones Dumb People. I thought like I have to read this and go back to class, then go to sports class. So still in library and studying. Today day is like hectic because 2 exams in the morning continuously. Yeah, C programming and physics. It's okay. From second year onwards, we just enter into the core branch of biotech. So I am eagerly waiting to join in the department. Going going back to the class. Library 2 hours completed. I have to have my lunch and get back to sports. In a block, having lunch there. In the lift, actually, so tired. Second floor. In the block to have my lunch. Having lunch right now. Started to have my lunch. Egg with aloo with egg. On the way to sports, guys. White sea sports shirt. Finally in the sports class, guys. Look, you can see the vibes. Everyone is here. My hair is already spoiled. So great looking. Worse looking. I'll maintain it soon. I'll be fit as soon as possible. Actually, I have to start workout. Soon, maybe very soon, I will start working on my body and burn the fat where the little fat is accumulated. I have to burn that very soon. Hope you will see that too in soon vlogs.